Hey, so if you want to find cheaper hotels on Booking.com and avoid overpaying, yeah, there are actually a bunch of tricks that can save you a lot of money. In this guide, I'll show you how to get cheap hotels on Booking.com step by step in 2026. First, try booking early because hotel prices usually increase closer to the travel date. Changing your travel dates by even 1 or 2 days can sometimes lower hotel prices significantly. Use filters like price range, review score, and free cancellation to find the best budget options faster. Sort search results by lowest price to quickly see the cheapest available hotels. Don't just choose the cheapest option, always check reviews to avoid bad hotels. Booking.com often shows special discounts, mobile deals, or limited time offers. Create a free account and unlock Genius rewards for extra discounts and free perks. Hotels slightly outside the city center are often much cheaper. Choose free cancellation options so you can rebook later if prices drop. And yeah, that's it. Using these tips can help you find much cheaper hotels on Booking.com and save money on travel.